Binize 7-inch double-link compatible with CarPlay and Android Auto carstereo. Switch from autoplay to MirrorLink. An original phone data cable is very necessary for AirPlay. Needed to get the permission from your smartphone, click Trust, input the password. After that, you will get the real-time screen synchronization. Unlock a new way for phone calling. Original phone data cable for Android MirrorLink is very necessary. For the first time connection, it will need to get the permission from your phone. Synchronize all the pages from your phone. Support dual control. Unlock a new way for phone calling. Unlock a new way for planning navigation. Cancel the vertical screen, you will get the full page navigation. Unlock a new way for video checking. Unlock a new way for music playing. Make Binize radio accompany you through the night. Thanks for watching, and we are Binize.